What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Matini here, and today I'm actually sharing with you the way that I do my laundry, and this includes both my clothes and my baby's clothes. So I hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. To start, I'll just give you a little tour of the place. This is my laundry area. It's very disorganized right now and really bare. I'm looking for a way to kind of organize it, and hopefully I'll get that done pretty soon here. But I have some clothes on the dryer because I still haven't put them away. Talk about being lazy. But that's that. And then for my detergent, I like to use Downy, OxiClean, and Clorox for my clothes, and Bounce for drying sheets. And boys, I like to use OxiClean and the 7th generation detergent, that is the sensitive skin. And then I also like to use this Grove collaborative buckets. They're really good for when I need to place items there for stain removal. So I love to use those. Share with you guys the bins that I use, or laundry hampers, whatever. But I bought this one from Ross. I really like it. I love the fact that it has handles and I can just carry it like that. It works so well for me. And then I also have 2 other laundry buckets that I use. Everything is full at the moment. Oh my gosh, everything is either full with dirty clothes or clothes that need to be put together and they need to be folded and put away. But oh my gosh, I hate folding laundry, so I like to just keep it in the hamper for as long as I can. But I bought this one, I think, from Walmart, and I really like that I can just take it apart. And I usually use this for my clothes, in sorting them apart. As far as my laundry schedule goes, I do my laundries every Tuesday, and I know for this day that I can be able to wash the clothes and put them away as much as I can for that day. I don't really, being that I actually work, I can't really do laundry every day, but I know that's like something that most people do, is just doing laundry every day to kind of help reduce it. But I find that for me it works really best if I do it on Tuesdays and get it all out and get it all done on that one day. When it comes to actually sorting the clothes themselves, for me, I like to sort my clothes by colors, I guess. So I will do like really dark colors together, and then I also do whites, and then in one of the other little hampers, I usually put in the microfiber towels that I use. I mean, it's not for me, but for the kitchen. So I like to sort them up in this little hamper that I bought, and I think that really works well, and it's a good space saver. And then for my boys, I usually will sort their clothes by, I guess, colors and also like the size of the clothes. I will usually put together really big items like the blankets or crib sheets, despite the color sometimes. But if I have too many white items, then I'll put them together. And then for the actual clothes, I would separate them by colors, so really dark or bright colors together, and then light colors together. And I will usually wash them like this, and then I just usually add their little toys to. Then as far as wash cycles, I usually wash most of my clothes in the cold setting, and if I have either my kids' clothes, I usually will wash those in the delicate setting, and I sometimes do it under warm temperature just because of all the stains, but I do like to use the cold setting for the majority of my clothes, just because they don't really need to be in warm water. So I prefer washing them in that setting. Like when it comes to my stain removal, I actually will I like to use the Grove collaborative buckets, like I said, and I will usually put in water in there, a little bit of OxyClean and the detergent, and then I will usually soak this overnight. And the next morning when I wake up, I look over them, see how they are. If in most cases they kind of have taken out, the stains will have already come out, but when they are not completely out, then I will usually just kind of wash them a little bit, hand wash them a little bit. And I don't really mind hand washing my kids' clothes despite the stain, but I usually would hand wash them, get rid of any extra stains, and then I'll put those in the washing machine with all the other items. And then there's the good old folding. Oh my goodness, folding clothes is not my favorite thing to do. Actually, I don't like putting clothes away, to be honest. I've been known to just grab the clothes from the hamper and just wear it from there, and I think I have resigned myself to that life, and I'm okay with it. But there are some instances where I just have to fold the clothes because it makes it easier to find them, especially with the baby clothes. So I will make an attempt at folding, even though my folding skills are just absolutely sad. Like I fold like I mean I think a 5-year-old would fold better than me. Like, look at this, it's so sad. It's so sad. I mean, honestly, I think I might need to go to a class just for folding, but that's for another day, another year or whatever. But for now, we just do the best that we can, get those clothes folded up as much as we can. As long as the kids can wear them, that's all that matters. And that's my laundry routine, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you tuning in. If you liked it, don't forget to comment below and like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.